This is Logan Hoggood, and I'm showing my final design project. The basis of my project was to build a circuitry for one of these balls that kind of light up and spin around. I didn't actually build the ball itself, like I said, just the circuitry. So our first stop is the spinning. I have an H bridge here, so we can make it spin left or right, depending on your preferences. Those are controlled by two timers. So I guess you would have a control. You'd have your control panel somewhere. So currently, spinning option is turned on. We're gonna make it spin one way. Make it spin the other way. No spinning. So that's just if you want your ball to start spinning. Second aspect is obviously the lights. What I did was I made it so there's two variations that the lights could be in. So I have specific lights for variation A, specific lights for variation B. So again, there's another control panel. This is off and on. This is variation A, and this is variation B. So we're going to turn it on, and first variation is just a basic blink. The capacitors, turn this off. The capacitors used, as well as specific resistors, can be changed, and that would change the timing of the blinks for the LEDs. So I'll turn this back on. Our control system is just a basic circuitry from a 555 timer. So when you touch these two leads, we're going to go to variation B. I'll just quickly show how when you touch these two leads, it goes back to variation A. So in variation B, this specific variation is when your lights actually dance to the kind of the beat of the music. So I will show an example of that happening. So that is variation B, so you have two variations for how you want your lights to be. Like I said, variation A, variation B is run by this microphone here, and even, something like that even would get it going. And if you don't want any lights, again, quick switch, nothing's going to happen. Variation B is just using some BJT transistors, obviously LEDs, resistors, and just capacitor, and see the most important part is the microphone. And variation A is also using BJTs with capacitors and resistors. Thank you for your time, and I appreciate you guys watching.